What's up guys, Kendall here. Today I'm going to teach you how to tray flip on a fingerboard. So tray flip is a kick flip with a 360 shove it, and then you just combine them, and then you get a steezy looking tray flip. So this is how I put my fingers for a tray flip. It might be different from you, but this is how I put it. So you scoop with your back foot, well, back finger, and then with your index finger, you flick out, and that's what causes it to do the kick flip. And then it scoops all the way around, flips, catch, and roll away. In my opinion, I think most common problems is you're gonna sort of do like a pressure flip. Like you're gonna if you actually skate, you'll know what a pressure flip is, but you're do it all in your back foot, and you'll think it's a tray flip, but in reality it's a 360 inward heel, well, pressure 360 inward heel. But just to fix that, you have to make sure that you're flicking with this finger, so it actually does the 360 kick flip. Well, here's some examples of a tray flip on a fingerboard. And then after you get the tray flip, you can work up to big flips, 540 flips, bigger flips, gazelle flips. I don't know if you could do a gazelle flip on a tech deck, fingerboard, whatever. But then after that, you can do tray flip, lip slides, add them to grinds, take them down stairs. But they're really easy, so I advise you to learn them. Thanks for watching. Every Tuesday I'm going to make Tech Deck Tutorial Tuesdays, so stay in tune for that. Hope you liked it. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.
Social on the lead.
Get his bitch. Get his bitch. Get his bitch. Get his bitch. Hey. 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 Hey.